Join me as I dive into the history of Labor Day and challenge myself to uncover the most surprising facts about this holiday. In this video, you'll learn about Labor Day, its history, and why it holds such significance in American culture. Many people understand Labor Day as a holiday, but few know about the struggles and contributions of workers that led to its establishment. The story of Labor Day is deeply rooted in the labor movement, which sought to improve working conditions, wages, and hours for American workers. This movement gained momentum in the late 19th century as industrialization and capitalism took hold, leaving many workers in difficult situations. Workers faced long hours, low pay, and unsafe conditions, sparking widespread discontent and protests. The labor movement wasn't just about economic issues, it was also about dignity and respect for workers. Labor unions began to form, advocating for change and pushing for legislation that would protect workers' rights. These unions played a crucial role in organizing strikes and rallies, drawing attention to the plight of workers and demanding action from lawmakers. The idea of a day to honor workers gained traction, and by 1894, Congress had passed a law making the first Monday in September a federal holiday. This was a significant victory for the labor movement, but it was also a bittersweet moment. The law didn't address the underlying issues faced by workers, but it did provide a moment to celebrate their contributions and struggles. Summarize how Labor Day serves as a reminder of the importance of workers' rights and the ongoing fight for fair labor practices. Labor Day is more than just a holiday, it's a tribute to the workers who fought for fairness and dignity. What do you think about Labor Day? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and be sure to check out my other videos on labor history and workers' rights for more insights into this important topic. You are invited to subscribe to Camaraderie Health Agency YouTube channel or go to www.camaraderiehealthagency.com or call 224-433-5754.